Hello everybody, Yellow Mustang here again with another Roblox game development video. Today we're back with our game here. Last time we were working on getting the weapons set up, the first skill, the shooting, all that good stuff set up. So we're looking now to hopefully get a sound for that. So I'm going through the Roblox sound, and as normal, it's very hard to actually find a decent sound in here. Shoot. Oh my god. I think Roblox does this on purpose. Just puts like useless sounds at the top and then the better sounds hidden.
Shoot it.
Oh my god. And then Roblox uploads so many goddamn songs. Like, I wish Roblox did not upload this many songs. Shooting. It's kind of... Oh my god, this shit makes me so mad. I hate Roblox, man. Okay, so I think my Marine has like a decent shooting sound in his gun. We can just probably pull that sound from there. Let's see here. Yeah, this is perfect. I don't know why I didn't think of that before. Try to search for anything on Roblox, you just get trash, man. There's nothing but trash. Alright, let's go ahead and paste this into the character head, I guess. Whoa, what the hell? Paste into. Alright, there we go. Alright, so fire should be good, and then spaceman handler. So create bullets. Player character. Okay, so we can do local, or we don't even need local, so we just do character dot head dot fire play, I think. So that way every time we shoot, we should get that shooting sound, hopefully. Let's try that. Yeah, that's a lot better with sounds. Alright, looks decent. Today I also wanted to get started on some module scripts. It's been a while since I've used module scripts. But we will, I guess we'll just bite the bullet and get started with this shit. So return damage. Okay, so we gotta put the functions in here. So function equals damage dot do damage to target. Yeah. So do damage to target. Then we can do target, yeah, do damage, and then specify how much damage we want. So DMG, so target dot humanoid take damage divided by 2, and then damage maximum, make it a little bit random. And then we can do, let's see here, what are we in, spaceman handler? Yeah. Perfect. Okay, so now we can do the require thing. So local damage functions equals require game get service server script service wait for child damage. Wait, no. Yes, we want that. Okay, so we do that, and then we can go in here. We'll comment this out, and then we can do damage functions. So damage functions dot do damage, and then the target, which will be object dot parent. And we're already verifying it has a humanoid in here, so we should never get an error that it cannot find a humanoid. So let's go ahead and run this and verify that we still do damage, so the module script is working. And we're putting it in a module script because it's broken. Oh, we forgot to specify how much damage we want to do. So, damage. But the reason we're doing this is because I want to have like I want to streamline the game because we're gonna have different characters and they're all gonna do damage, and I want certain effects to happen when enemies get damaged. So, like for example, the reason I'm setting this up is because we're gonna add billboard GUIs into the workspace, or billboard GUIs into the workspace. As you hit, it's gonna say how much damage you hit for, and we'll have critical strikes and all of that good stuff. So now that we have that working, this is all server side, so everybody will be able to see this. We can do local. Well, I need to figure out how billboard GUIs even work. It's been like over a year, I think, since I've used billboard GUIs. So if we put like a billboard GUI into this part, and then we just gotta add like an image text label in here. Oh, well, there we go. Alright, so let's put this up here. We can kind of get the settings like worked out here. Okay, so absolute size, add or knee. I don't think the add or knee matters. Always on top. Yeah, we'll have it always on top. We want it enabled. Max distance we will have be 100. Or 50 maybe? Alright, and then I don't want it to scale like that. Is there an option to stop it from like scaling? Auto localize, light influence. We don't want it to hide from anybody. Size. Index. So is it just gonna, there's gotta be, I know there's gotta be a way to stop it from like auto sizing, I'm sure. Can we just so I know you don't want to use like pixels in here. You want to use like that. Yeah, it still does the thing. What if we switch it in here? The size from pixels to just max 1. Okay, so it looks like that might work. Can we do like 2? 100. Wait, no. What am I doing? Scale. I think we want to be using scale, right? What the hell did I just do here? Yeah, we want to do scale. I forget what I'm doing. I guess that works. The scaling isn't as bad. Let's make this bigger. Too big. 2 and 2, maybe. 1 and 2. Okay. Cool. So now in the text label, we want this to be, well, we want the background to be transparent. So where is, so background transparency, we want 1. Okay, so if we deselect that, okay. And then so text, do like 45 damage. We want the damage color to be red. What? Oh, here we go. Okay, so red. And then can we have this like text scaled? The hell? Well, why did it do that? Okay, that was weird. That definitely was not supposed to happen. All right. So that's cool. Let's make the thing a little bit bigger. So we do 2, 2. And get close. Okay. Alright, so that looks cool. Alright, let's go in here. Now we can just copy all that good stuff. So local billboard equals instance.new billboard GUI. And then we want to set the parent to be target, I guess. I mean, does it... So I forget with billboard GUIs. Can we just set the thing to be a model and it'll still work? Yes. No. Yes. Okay, awesome. Cool. Okay, that's going to be even easier than I thought. Okay, so damage, set it to be the target character, whatever we're shooting at. And we want to size it now. So billboard dot always on top equals true. Billboard dot size offset equals udim2.new, I think. And then we just do 2, 2. I think. I hope. That might be wrong. Might have to go back and fix that, but it should be okay for now. Okay, so that looks good. So we got the billboard in there. Now we need local text equals instance.new text label. And then this will just be part of billboard. Text.text equals So I typed this wrong, but it still worked for some reason. I guess that wasn't, the randomization wasn't working, but I'm surprised it didn't throw like an error about that. Okay, so we'll randomize the damage like that, and then we'll just put damage there. Text equals damage. Text dot size. Dot offset, or is it size offset like the other one? Size constraint. Oh, that's weird. Does this actually have a property called size offset? It does. Okay, so we don't want to do that. We want to do size dot offset. Okay. Hopefully that works. It's been a while since I've worked with GUIs. Okay, so text.size.offset equals udim2 .new. And then just 1, 1, I believe, for that. And then text.background transparency equals 1. Text dot scaled equals true. Okay. And then we need the color 3, so text dot color 3 equals color 3. Color 3 dot new 0. Okay, so that's red, green, blue. Have it just 100% red. Should be fine. We can move this thing somewhere else out of the way. All right, so let's load it in here and see how many errors we get. I'm sure we get a ton. Cool. Okay, so what is wrong? Offset cannot be assigned to. Oh, I think I'm doing this wrong. So I think it needs to be size equals udim2.new. And then, okay, I see how this works. So 0 there and then 0 here. And then that should be good. And then, so we just need to set the size, and then the offset will just be a part of that. So we need offset goes first, then the pixels, offset. Okay. So does that work? Game, are you pleased? Why does it look like shit? What does that say? 0 point. What the hell? Why is the number so huge? What the hell? Okay. What? Why is it like... Oh, I did math.rand. We need math.random. Okay. Oh shit. That was weird. I was gonna say math.random doesn't even work in whatchamacallits in decimal. Okay, so there you go. Okay, cool. So that's good. Can we like make this offset? Let's see, size. I think we want studs offset to be a little bit off. Like, can we randomize this a bit? Yeah, 10. Okay, cool. So I don't want all the text labels to like stack on top of each other. So we can do like a little bit of randomization there. So billboard dot its studs offset equals vector3.new math.random -5 5 math.random -5 5 math.random -5 5. Okay, so that should be good. We need to make sure that this thing does not stay there forever, so we need to do billboard, or we need to do the debris service thing. So get service debris, add item, billboard with a 1 second deletion time, I think. And then we can tween this, so we can do game, get service, tween service, and then create, and we want to tween billboard, and we want to do tween info.new 1 and then goal, or yeah, goal, text. So we don't, does the billboard have a transparency value? Or do we have to do the, probably got to do the transparency of the text label, I'm guessing. Okay, so we can just set this to be, no, we're not even messing with transparency. What am I talking about? Okay, so we're doing billboard, and we're gonna do the offset. So studs offset equals text dot studs offset plus vector3.new 0 10 0. Okay, will that work? Well, if I capitalize this correctly, it might work. Okay, so let's go ahead and test this now. Okay, well, I mean, they get deleted. Let's see, I have some errors in here. Studs offset. Oh, we want billboard in here. And then we need to actually play this as well. It's actually way longer than I wanted it to be. I might have to break that into separate lines at some point. All right, let's see. All right, so that's okay. I mean, I think the spread is too big. Do 2, 2, 2. I mean, ideally, the position of the billboard GUI would be right where the bullet hits. But I guess this works as well. Cool. We need some like actual... we need to start programming the enemy AI so I can start killing stuff, because this is already starting to be somewhat enjoyable. Yeah, we're making good progress. Okay, so we're reaching the end of the episode now. Yeah, it's about 20 minutes exactly. So I would say that was a pretty good run for today. I don't know why Explorer got closed there. All right, so let's delete this. We don't need you anymore. Okay, so I would like to thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.
Oh, fuck. I can't believe you've done this. Oh, fuck. I can't believe you've done this. Oh, fuck. I can't believe you've done this. Oh, fuck.